Child's pose exercise, child's pose for lower back pain. Child's pose exercise, a restorative yoga position. The child's pose is a gentle and relaxing yoga exercise that promotes deep relaxation and stretching. It is often used as a resting pose during yoga practice or as a way to calm the mind and body. Here's how to perform the child's pose. Start by kneeling on the floor or yoga mat. Sit back on your heels, keeping your knees hip-width apart. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly lower your torso forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Your chest should be resting on or between your thighs. Extend your arms forward, placing them on the mat alongside your body with palms facing down. Alternatively, you can bring your arms back alongside your legs with palms facing up. Relax your shoulders and let them soften away from your ears. Allow your upper back to gently round, creating space between your shoulder blades. Let your hips sink towards your heels, allowing a gentle stretch in your lower back and hips. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. With each inhale, imagine lengthening your spine, and with each exhale, surrender deeper into the pose. Stay in the child's pose for as long as feels comfortable, typically for about 1 to 3 minutes or longer if desired. When you're ready to release the pose, gently press your palms into the mat, engage your core, and slowly rise back up to a kneeling position. Remember, during the child's pose, it's important to listen to your body and modify the pose as needed. If you have any specific health concerns or injuries, consult with a qualified yoga instructor or healthcare professional before attempting this or any other exercise. Child's pose can be a beneficial yoga pose for relieving lower back pain. Here's a modified version of the child's pose that specifically targets the lower back. Start by kneeling on the floor or a yoga mat, with your knees hip-width apart. Bring your big toes to touch and sit back on your heels. Spread your knees apart slightly wider than hip-width, allowing your torso to fit comfortably between them. Slowly lower your torso forward, walking your hands forward until your forehead rests on the mat or a prop, such as a folded blanket or block. Instead of extending your arms forward, reach your arms back alongside your body, palms facing up. Relax your shoulders and let them soften away from your ears. Allow your hips to sink towards your heels, feeling a gentle stretch in your lower back. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. As you inhale, imagine lengthening your spine, and as you exhale, surrender deeper into the pose, focusing on releasing tension in your lower back. Stay in the modified child's pose for about 1 to 3 minutes, or longer if it feels comfortable and beneficial for your lower back pain. To release the pose, gently press your palms into the mat, engage your core, and slowly rise back up to a kneeling position. Remember to listen to your body and make any necessary modifications to suit your comfort level and any specific needs or limitations you may have. If you have persistent or severe lower back pain, it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before attempting any new exercises or stretches. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.